Big Jim's house of Donnie and Jenny. It's 7:06 and shorts weather. Anyway, if you go to our Facebook page, Big Jim's House WCSX, you'll see a photo and a story. I have a family that I wasn't aware of until a week ago.
Right? Oh, you laugh about it, but that's not nice.
So, well, hey, it was sent to me. So here's the message. Hey, funny story, Jim. My wife and kids met you guys when you were at Highland BP over the summer. We love going to Highland BP. We always do our gas promotion with them and stuff.
Yeah, good people.
And they got a picture of you and them. I remember the family. It was 3 kids and a mom out there. Fast forward to last week, I put together a storybook for my wife for Valentine's Day and sent a bunch of family photos to Shutterfly to put together. They were supposed to put one of the family photos with me on the front cover, but somehow they grabbed this picture. I've been replaced. We got a good laugh out of it. It says, Life Through the Years, a beautiful Shutterfly book.
And shame on you, because I'm seeing 4 kids here, so you should just really...
You don't even know how many kids you have.
You don't even know. You
I
don't
got so
even
many
know,
families.
Jim.
It's so cold.
You don't
in the
even
D.
know how many kids you have, Jim.
Well, one of them's just a friend. I'm not responsible for that one. The other 3. So instead of the husband, I'm on the cover. With mom and the 3 kids and their friend.
And your arm around what appears to be your youngest son, and you're wearing the same. That's Aiden Hutchinson's
Okay, that's
jersey,
just
isn't it?
weird. Stop it. You're
Like
making me freak out now.
you're wearing the same jersey.
Yeah, you're wearing Lions
Believe
jerseys
me,
together.
when I showed this to my wife, Kathy, she didn't laugh at first.
Oh, no.
It got quiet for a second. Oh, no.
I couldn't even say because I wanted to be like, oh, does Kathy know? And I was like, I can't even do it to her. Like, she's such a nice lady.
So, yeah. Yeah, so I have a second family. It's on our Facebook page if you want to see it.
Oh, that is the funniest picture,
It
man.
looks like you're really having a great day
It
together.
really does.
Like, you're really just a beautiful family.
Well, we were going to C.J. Barrymore's afterward. We'd go out and get some pizzas. Make a day of it.
For sure.
I figure I only see my kids one day a year, so what the hell?
Sunshine, summertime. You got to spend time with the family.
I want to know from him, though, when that first shows up and you're just staring at it going,
Huh.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that's really... Do you Shutterfly stuff?
Oh, gosh, yeah. Like ninja.
Seriously?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. My jam is, I used to make a lot of books when the kids were smaller, but now mainly I do calendars for a lot of family members. So
should I make a calendar for the family with that one on the cover and just send it to them as a
my
joke, or is that way too far?
I can totally help you with that.
Every month is just the same picture over and over. It's just you guys.
Or you just like every other page is just Jim.
Yeah,
like
or
pictures
just
of Jim.
Jim.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
And then the cover is with the family.
I was going to Photoshop that image just of the kids and the wife and then put us at various places around Detroit, like
that'd be
at Comerica
nice.
Park.
If you Photoshop it, I'll make the calendar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My wife didn't laugh the first time. I'm not sure she'd be too happy if I spent money on a family. It's not really mine.
Oh, I will pay for that calendar.
Now, you guys do understand that until a couple of years ago, I didn't know that I had 2 half-sisters.
I did tread lightly around that at first, but I was like, well, you brought it up, so.
I sent it to Terry and Patty, and Terry texted me back immediately going, how many freaking families do you have, Jim? I'm like, I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, that picture of you guys is so funny.
That's a new one. Okay.
Yeah.